Mari nafi lie to a man say me pregnant because me want to hold him. I don't own that bitch. Man, twin flame. All when me cuss him, me still there. All when him cuss me, I'm fin cussing. You know, say God know that man never cuss me like cuss me for 20 minutes. Him only cuss me for 2 minutes pan the camera for making money, and then him back to I'm sorry, baby. Never. Never. So me not have to have no belly in order to win him heart. I done got it. Cause it was destined. You understand? So stop the fuckery, dirty pussy bling. Stop the fuckery, queenie. Cause you're not nobody. Of course, Amari can get pregnant because when my nurse check me, a $1,000 me spend for she string me up whenever she visit me and put nutrients in my body. Eh? And forget about that. My man say want a baby with me. And my man strong and my man give it to me.